All right, guys. I just want to go through the trade setup I had on NJ. In the earlier video, I just told us the thought process and how I went about, reversing my trade direction, from a buy to a sell trade. Okay, so guys, I'm going to explain everything to you guys. Okay, so that you understand, how I manage this trade. Alright, so guys, you recall yesterday I did send a signal saying we should buy this instrument, okay? When I sent out that signal, the market was around here, okay? Here, just about here. I saw this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern on this on this um on this channel, okay? So I thought that the market was going to go up. In fact, immediately the market got to this level, okay? I decided to wait for another candle close, which was this candle close. Then I saw this bullish hammer, okay? Then I decided to take the entry somewhere around here, okay? Guys, let me just take a call. Just 1 minute, please. Let me pause. Alright, so guys, let me just continue with what I was trying to explain to you guys, okay? So now I noticed the breakout from this channel, okay? And I saw it that it was going to continue. I have some indicators that I use to confirm my trade directions, and I knew that the market has changed bias completely, so I entered a buy, a sell, okay? So I short this trade, okay? Then when I short it, I discovered that the market had gone well about 50% of the first position I added to my position. So I had two sell trades running, okay? I had two sell trades running, okay? So guys, I just want you to understand what I did here, okay? See, now the breakout confirmed that the market was going to change direction, and indeed you can see that this is a rising channel, okay? Now on this rising channel, when you see a breakout like this, you enter a sell, okay? Some traders will want a pullback to structure, then they short the trade market, but I've seen that this market is going to continue going down for a pretty long time to come, okay? Now let me show you some other indications I got. Now if you look at this, you see that this is a head and shoulder pattern. This is a left shoulder, right shoulder, this is the head. Now, and this trend line is my neckline, okay? I've seen that market has broken the neckline, okay? And so I can enter a short from this position, all right? So guys, these are what determined my position on this trade. I was long before, but I had to close that long position and waited for another trade setup, which I saw, and I took it. Now guys, let me show you something again. When I entered a buy, okay, I saw these two candlestick patterns. See these two candlestick patterns? They are very instructive. They are telling me that the bears have stepped into this market. These are overly top reversal candlestick patterns, okay? These are, you can call them shooting star, okay? You can call them shooting star because they have some little real body, okay? They are shooting stars. And these two shooting stars to have printed here on 4-hour time frame is instructive that the bears have stepped into this market, guys. You need to understand candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns are very powerful. They give you signals. They give you early warning signals that what the market is about to do, okay? So when I saw this candlestick patterns and this other bearish candlestick pattern that has high momentum bear, footprint, I knew that this market was going to reverse. So I entered a short. So I short this trade from this position, okay? Initially I put my stop loss somewhere here, but as the market was going in my direction, I started trailing my stop loss. And because I entered two positions, I have moved the first position to break even so that I can lock in some profit, okay? Then I've allowed the other one to run. I took some partial profit too. Guys, if you look at this trade, if you look at the trade history, the account history, you see that I took some partial profits, okay? You can see I took this partial profit and this partial profit, okay? So guys, it's very instructive, okay? Now what happened? Look at these two positions that I closed because I saw that they were not going in my direction. Guys, once you notice that the market is not going in your direction, don't continue to hold the bad trade. close it. Close it. Even if you will continue in that direction, see additional confirmation. Get additional confirmation so that you can re-enter again and ride the market in the direction you have seen. Okay, so but I've seen that this market has changed direction, so I cut my loss short and entered a trade in the opposite direction, and that's why I decided to go short on this trade. Guys, let me tell you another thing. Now, I told you guys earlier on that I suspect that when the market gets to this structure level, it was going to experience some restriction or some support. It was going to find some support level here, and when the market got to this level, indeed the market started showing some reaction. You can see, so there is this position here. It's a doji. Okay, this is a doji candlestick pattern. What that means is that there's indecision in the market. The bulls and the bears are in a stalemate. No one has decided the direction towards which they want to push the market. So there's an indecision. We just have 30 minutes to go, about 30 minutes to go on this candlestick to close, so that another candle will open. They will know what direction the market has decided to go. But as it stands now, there's a state of equilibrium here. There's a state of stalemate here. The bulls and the bears are fighting seriously whether to continue pushing the market down or not. But the bears tried. They were able to push the market up to this price low, and now there is a state of indecision in the market. Okay, so guys, I'll continue to monitor this market. Like what I told you guys is this: when you have a trade setup, hold that trade setup. Continue to trade around that trade setup. You don't need to be opening up looking for trades all over. You see, there are over 64 trades, currency pairs and instruments that you can trade, but you don't have to trade all of them. When you see a particular setup you've had on your chart, on your system, on your phone, that is responding to your to your strategy, just hold on to those trades. Okay, don't bother to start looking for other trade setups. If this one is giving you money, why looking for another one? Okay, the little the better. Okay, the less the better. Okay, less trade that you take, the better for you. Okay, and if you see your setups and you follow them and they're giving you money, what's my headache? I will continue to hold those positions. Let me show you my gold. Let me show you what happened on gold. Okay, you can see gold has started pulling back. Okay, gold has started pulling back. I will not short gold. I will not short gold. There will be an opportunity to short it, but I will not short it. At the moment, the commodity is selling off. Let it sell off the structure. Let it sell up the structure. If I see an indication, a signal, candle signal to go long, I will take it to the upside. This market is overly in a bull run. Okay, like I told you guys, look at it. The market is bullish, and of course, I've showed you guys what the fundamental reasons are. Okay, if you look at guys, my telegram group, you see what I posted to you guys. Now because of the war happening in the Gulf, okay, Israel and Hamas and Iran and what have you, you see some countries have been stocking gold. Okay, China recently has stocked hundreds of millions of dollars worth of gold. Okay, other countries are also buying gold. So these fundamental factors are pushing the price of gold up. Okay, but of course, market will breathe in and breathe out. Okay, at the moment, market is breathing in. When it gets to structure, it will breathe out. Okay, this is how the market moves. The other setup that I have here, I have not seen. Okay, I have not seen signals yet, but I think this is a very good one here. This is a very good one here. Printing head and shoulder pattern, similar to what I have in NJ. Okay, so I don't need to take this trade again because it's about the same pattern with what you have in NJ. So I'll just leave it. Okay, so let's look at Euro USD. Let's look at Euro USD 4 hour. Euro will do like gold. Okay, look at it, selling off massively. Okay, I saw this trade here at the cross of this pattern was when I was going to look for opportunity. If you see, gold is positively correlated with Euro USD. You can see this is the head and shoulder pattern I showed you in gold, and the head and shoulder, sorry, this is the double top rather. In Euro USD, it has printed the double top. These are very strong patterns now, but if you look at this one pattern here, you see his head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, right shoulder, and this is the head, okay? And look at what happened. The market has broken the neckline and has continued to push down. These are good setup, okay? So if I've seen this crossover and I've seen this, you know, MACD crossover here, perhaps I would have taken this trade to the downside, but I'm just okay. I don't want to be too greedy, okay? Now let's look at other setups that I have here. Now these are powerful setups that I have here. They're all playing to the direction of my trade, okay? So guys, these are just how I do this thing. For now, I'll hold on to this NJ. I'll hold on to this NJ trade. Continue to monitor what the market is doing here, okay? I'll look out for opportunity in gold. If I see another opportunity in gold, I will take it, okay? I will take it. This other one, I'm not interested in it. I may not bother here, but I'll continue to follow this GC. If I see opportunities, I will trade it. So guys, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions, drop it on my YouTube channel. If you can chat me up on the Telegram group, do chat me up, okay? Guys, I posted a lot for you guys in the Telegram group. If you don't belong here, please ask for the link and I'll get you connected, okay? If you look at, this was what I posted on why gold has been buying, okay? You know, if you look at this, if you watch this video, you understand why people are buying gold massively, okay? So guys, that's all I have for you today. I don't want to make this video to be too long. To have a blessed day and bye bye.